Hello, I'm Nadia. Let's make some furniture.
Vocabulary: let's make some furniture.
Take the cut out pieces.
Take the cut-out pieces.
Find the parts.
Find the parts.
Put the parts together.
Put the parts together.
Add a little glue.
Add a little glue.
Stick the parts together.
Stick the parts together.
Let's color it.
Let's color it.
Let's dry it.
Let's dry it.
Look! It's a washing machine.